Welcome to another Goodwin English video lesson. I'm your teacher, Randy League, and welcome to part 2 of our grammar lesson. In this lesson, we will practice what we learned in part 1. Hello everyone. In today's lesson, we are going to practice what we learned in part 1. If you haven't watched part 1 yet, I recommend you watch it and after, come back to this video lesson. Before we start, we publish new videos almost every day, so be sure to subscribe to our channel and ring the bell to learn about our latest videos. Next, let's take a look at a sample conversation where the two people talking are using the grammar we just studied. After you listen to the conversation, I'm going to ask you some questions about it. After that, I will ask you some similar questions about yourself. For all of the questions, try to answer as best you can.
What did you do on Sunday?
I studied for today's English test.
Wait, we have an English test today? I didn't study. I played video games all weekend.
Listen and answer the questions about the conversation. If you don't remember, go back and look at the conversation again. Why is Nancy tired? Why is Nancy tired? Did she exercise on Saturday morning? Did she exercise on Saturday morning? Did she watch a movie with her mother? Did she watch a movie with her mother? What did Nancy do on Sunday? What did Nancy do on Sunday? Now, let's go over the answers. Why is Nancy tired? She had a busy weekend. Did she exercise on Saturday morning? Yes, she did. Did she watch a movie with her mother? No, she didn't. What did Nancy do on Sunday? She studied for her English test. Listen and answer the questions. This time, use your own information to answer the questions. What did you do Saturday? Did you watch a movie Saturday? What did you do on Sunday? Did you study English on Sunday? Okay, now we are going to do some easy practice. We have 10 sentences. Each sentence has a missing word. Here we have 10 verbs. I want you to match the verb to the sentence. And I want you to change the verb into the past tense. Let's take a look at an example. When I was young, I blank to be a dentist. This is about someone's dream when they were a child. So, I will use the verb want, but I have to change it into the past tense form. Want becomes wanted. The correct answer is, when I was young, I wanted to be a dentist. Do the rest by yourself. Now, let's go over the answers. When I was young, I wanted to be a dentist. Melissa's grandmother died when she was 97 years old. The movie was very long. It started at 5:35 and finished at 8:25. The car accident happened last Friday night. I cleaned my bathroom and kitchen yesterday. Today is a nice day, but yesterday it rained all day. My bedroom was very hot, so I opened the window. We really enjoyed our vacation last year. We stayed at a very nice place. My favorite TV show started at 8. It's 8:55 now, so it's almost over. I was so tired last night, I couldn't drive. I stayed at a cheap motel near the airport. Okay, let's do one more exercise. In this exercise, we will have 4 short conversations. The conversations are missing some words. I want you to write in the missing words to complete the conversations. Next to each blank, you will see a verb. Use that verb to help you finish the conversations. Okay, let's go over the answers. What did you do Sunday night? I went to the movie theater and watched a movie. I loved it. Did you go out on Saturday night? No, I didn't. I invited some friends over and I cooked dinner for them. Did you do anything special Saturday? Yes, I did. I went shopping. I spent all of my money. Now, I'm broke. How did you spend your last birthday? I had a party. Everyone enjoyed it, but the neighbors complained about the noise. For your homework, I want you to write 5 sentences about what you did last week. Then, I want you to write 5 more sentences about what you didn't do last week. For example, I went to an Italian restaurant. I didn't eat pasta. Well, that's it for today, everyone. I hope you learned a lot. If you have any questions, ask them in the comments section. If you like this video and want to see more, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. My name is Randy League, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.